Vijay is immature. Vijay is not serious. No aim, no vision. Don't know how to talk. Talking wrong things at wrong place. Understanding maturity is not there. No money. Vijay has no money.
So try to remember at last time when you played like this. And if I remember about myself, last time when I play like this, playing with imaginary things or playing with nonsense toy things with my friends. So at that time doing nonsense thing with friends gives very much happiness, and those are core memories to us. But nowadays if we do the same, then people would judge us that we are immature. So people always judge us how we do, but people don't see that if we do nonsense thing, it gives us happiness. So yes, I agree that it seems us that we are immature, but they don't think that doing these kind of immature things gives us happiness. So deep down happiness is much important to us, and obviously we increase our respect in the eyes of people if we do mature things. But people should think very deeply that life is very short, and if we always try to be mature, then our life would be very dark. Because if you always try to be mature, then you will lose many happiness opportunities. Nowadays people living roughly for 60 age. So if I extend that age a little bit, so maximum to maximum, if this trends goes on like future, then people would live less than 60, or okay, not to be so negative, so I'm trying to be positive, people will live less than 70-year age. So if we are living for 70-year age, maximum to maximum 70-year of age, then how much age we are studying for? Maximum to maximum we are studying at the age of 30. And I know many guys, many of my friends are doing jobs around at age 25. But the thing is that almost half of our age we are only studying, we are not enjoying our life. And believe me or not, after 45-year age we don't have any energy to explore this world, to be excited, or we do not have that much energy in our muscle to do excitement things, to go here and there.
So after the age of 30, we are grinding for our future, for our financial retirement. We are burning the precious time of our life. So when you are not capable, by your body is not able to reproduce that much energy which you are at your young age. So at that time you always regret that I should enjoy, and at that time you have nothing. Falling in this trap that you are not able to understand, you are a rat, you are doing a rat race. So try to understand as soon as you understand at your youngest age, that is better for you. If I will tell about myself, then it's not that late. Yes, it's a little late, but till now I haven't made my career. So it is a tension thing for me, stress thing for me. But I always try to do exciting things whenever I try. But the thing same, whenever I try to be do exciting things without money, then people would tell me that I am doing immature things. I am doing immature things. So people would think that you would only seems mature, and you would only seems doing enjoyment when you have money, when you explore outsides, new places, you are doing tour, you are playing with big and expensive toys like car, bikes. So I am recording this video next day, and there is a small disclaimer why I am speaking in English. So I always wanted to speak good and fluent English. For that reason I am speaking in English. So there is a greedy reason for doing my practice. I am speaking English here. And if you see my history of this channel, you will find that maximum videos in this channel are only made in English. So there is a long greedy reason. But anyway, the main motive of this challenge, I should not show like this, I should show like this. But anyway, this thing is not into my practice, so this is gone practice. But pardon if any of my habit or any of my thing made you disturb, pardon. But what is main motive of this channel? The main motive of this channel is always been same. So there are three things. Three things: growth and development, second is deep thinking, and third thing is to make this life meaningful. Why growth and development? Point number one, growth and development is something why I want to make videos regarding this, because there are a lot of people who want to see example of growth and development, and I also want to do growth and development of mine. So to encourage other people, and people also encourage me, so there is mutual benefit between us. For that reason I am making I will not do guarantee that I will only make growth and development videos, but somewhere in my videos there will be a little message that I will be telling growth and development things a little bit, so that somewhere my videos would inspire people. So this is little bit what I planned. And second thing, deep thinking. So deep thinking is a very big thing. Why? Because there are a lot of situations when we fall into depression and we are sad. At that time only deep thinking will help us. So there are a lot of things I will tell to you, those are related to deep thinking, but not in this video. I will tell you in my future videos. Third, I want to make my life meaningful. How? Like if you are Hindu, I am Hindu. So there are two things in Hindus, pap and punya. Otherwise I will translate in English, sin and virtue. Sin is pap, virtue is punya. So According to Hindu mythology, as I follow, when we die, God count our sin and virtue. According to our sin and virtue, God give us next birth, rebirth. So I won't go that brief in this topic, especially in this video, but uh, how much I will do sin and virtue, like doing daily worship to God, physical worship to God, and more than doing physical worship to God, I believe more to do help to people. Help I can do help to people who are in need of help, like a people who is going on some kind of difficulties regarding money or anything in their life. If I can help with my knowledge, like these are the things I did when I was in my difficulties, and if that thing relate with other people, with you, so it would help you, it will give you an idea that how it would help in your life. So if I do this thing, so let me tell you this thing first. So nothing in this world is free. If you eat some kind of free food in a temple, so you give your virtue, your punya, to the people who donated for that food. So you are giving virtue. So if you are thinking free, but nothing in this world is free, if I am giving my knowledge, maybe I may get ad revenue in future. Till now I haven't got haven't got. So maybe I will get ad revenue, I don't know, but more than that I may get your virtue, who knows. So but anyway, doing help to people is a good thing. Leave that virtue thing. So I want to do good things, so main priority is this. So maybe after me there is a chance that if still I was not alive in this world, maybe I am gaining virtue from many people's, how I help to their life, maybe. So pardon for my English, I know my English is that much, my English is horrible, so pardon, but I promise I will make my English good, and I will practice hard and hard. So thank you.